Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So Body Cupid have sent me this. This is the 24-hour gold body scrub. Thank you guys for sending this, and I wanted to review it and show you guys how this product is, and I want to try it with y'all. So I was anyway waiting for a really nice body scrub, so I'm so excited to use this, and plus it's 24-hour gold body scrub, so I just hope this is good. So let me give you a little bit detail about this product. Of course, it comes in a tube like this, very fancy and chic. So this is the Body and Bath Body Cupid luxury brand, and this retails for 499 rupees. And so let's see how to use this product. So you just wet your body and with warm water, and then you apply it generously, and then you scrub your skin and massage it. Leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse it off. Okay, so use this twice a week for best results. Okay, fine. So let's do this. They've also said that you should do like a patch test. So I'm just going to apply it on this part of my body. And so guys, let's try this product. So firstly, you're supposed to wet the area. So I'm just going to take a wet towel and I'm going to do it on this part. So this is the scrub. I'm just going to take this much amount. Smells good. For me, fragrance is the most important thing in any product. So for me, if the product smells good, then I will feel good about it. So I'm just going to go apply it on this part, and I'm going to massage it gently. It does have these gold particles. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have mehndi on my hands. Smells amazing. And then I'm just going in like circular motion. I've taken very little product. If you can see, this part is shiny. There's a little bit of gold that they've 24 karat gold that they've put in this. It is removing all my dead skin. I'm just going to take the same wet cloth and rinse it. I just want to read quickly what are the ingredients in this. So it has aloe vera juice, glycerine, vitamin E, gold mica, and walnut shell powder, and they also have added some fragrance. And my skin also feels really good. Plus, it smells amazing. So they've recommended to use it twice a week. So guys, my review about this product is it's a definite must buy. I think for 499 it's quite good, and you get this big tube, and again it smells so good, and my skin is actually feeling really nice. I think I should just moisturize it because I've scrubbed it now. So go try it and let me know in the comment section below. It's called the Body Cupid 24k gold body scrub, and I'm sure you can apply it on your face also. If you don't have any other scrub, you can use it on your face as well. So again, try this, let me know, and if you have any more questions, ask me in the comment section below. I'm on Instagram, follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. So guys, I want to try a charcoal face pack, and I did my research. I came across a lot of face packs, but this one really grabbed my attention. So this is the Mama Earth C3 face pack. C3 means it has charcoal, it has coffee, and it has clay. And charcoal is really good for your skin, and I was looking for this face pack, and Mama Earth is Asia's first brand which uses a lot of natural ingredients. They don't have any chemicals in their products, so I wanted something which has all the good natural ingredients. So I got this. I ordered it from Amazon. It's easily available there, and I wanted to try it and give my honest review with you guys. So let's try this. So guys, this is what it looks like, and this retails for about 5.99 rupees, and as I told you, I got from Amazon. And let's open this. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if it smells good. Not bad at all. So guys, before applying this, you're supposed to wash your face with sulfate-free face wash, and then just pat your face dry and then you apply this. So I've already washed my face. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. So guys, I've applied this now, and we're supposed to keep it for about 15 minutes, and then you scrub it and wash it with lukewarm water. So let's wait for 15 minutes and let's see if this works. So guys, it's been more than 15 minutes now, and I think this is dry. So I'm just gonna go wash my face. So you know what to do, right? You're supposed to scrub it nicely evenly and then wash it with lukewarm water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Bye. So guys, I've just washed my face and there's a lot of difference. I can actually see my skin has become so soft and nice, and all my blackheads have actually come out. All the impurities, I think, has really come off. It is glowing, and because it had coffee also, so I scrubbed it really well, and all the excess oil and everything from my face has come off. And this doesn't make your skin dry at all. My skin is so smooth and soft now. I am in love with this product. It's really good. I think y'all should definitely try this, and give me your reviews. Let me know if you've tried this. And guys, I have a surprise. So if you buy any product from Mamaearth, you have a discount. So you can just put leena20 in your coupon code. So this is your code. It's LEENA20, and you can buy any of Mamaearth products and you will get a discount there. So I want you guys to try this and let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to try any other product, any other brand, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. So you guys keep asking me how I have such long hair, what do I do to take care of my hair, etc, etc. So my hair has been really damaged because I've been coloring it a lot, and it's become really dry and doesn't really grow that much. So I've just discovered this amazing product. It's by Wow Skincare, and this is the hair spray, like a hair leave-on conditioner type. So it's not an oil. You don't have to sit and oil your hair with this. It has a lot of benefits. I've tried it a lot of times, and let me give you a review about this. So this